Hey, it's Skip from America here, and I'm going to show you how to make your own emergency alert system. It's all you have first. You have to search up the app called EAS or Emergency Alert System. There it is, Simulator. Then you can see there's the first two. There's a pro version, and then there's free version. Free version is obviously free. But I think the only difference is with the free one, you can only do the emergency alert system for like 20 seconds. But the one I got, it was pro, and there's no difference with it except you can do it for as long as you want, and you put it up or on, not on the TV, but on your phone for as long as you want, and customize it however you want. And once you get the app, obviously install it, then open it up. Then there's a bunch of these actually in the pro version. You have these ones that they already made for you. You can look at like about this one, North Korean nuclear attack.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is not a test. A massive launch of nuclear missiles has taken place from North Korea. 5 of these missiles have already hit Japan and South Korea, and 2 are on course for the United States. According to NORAD, 1 missile is headed towards Alaska and the other is headed for Hawaii. Estimated impact in about 10 minutes for Alaska and 13 minutes for Hawaii. Residents in these states should seek out a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear weaponry. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. If you are near a fallout shelter, go to this location now. As a last resource, go to a basement or underground shelter and place as many objects as you can between you and the outside. Take a battery-powered radio and listen for further statements and updates. This is an emergency action notification. The emergency alert system has been activated. All broadcast stations, cable systems, and wireless connections shall transmit this notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news to the public in assigned areas. You are listening to the emergency alert system. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
Anyway, that was just one of them. Sorry about that. That was a long one, but I just wanted to show you one. But let's create a custom alert. So first, what you have to do is select the background. There's like 40, I think. You can just flip through them. Colors. Let's try blue. I don't care. The text, I'll put emergency alert system, I guess. Blue, black. Can't read that, so how about perfect. Let's try that. That one. Vertical position, put it a little bit. There we go. This is chief. Big hell. Got that as a pattern. So that is okay. So next you can put the scrolling text like you see at the bottom of the screen. It'll, like you see in the other EAS, it kind of went from the right to left. So I guess I'll just put what it says there. I'll make it a little bigger. Text size. What? Yeah. Background again, blue. White text. Okay, I'll just keep that. Okay, and then you add header, which is like obviously it'll sound like this. Okay, no worries. Yeah, and that's what you put for like that sound. Then for after intentional, you'd probably hear something like that, or then there's other ones like a oops tornadoes. Or Amber Alert pattern. I guess I'll do the what combined frequency. Don't want system. There we go. Then for the back. And for the header, yeah, still have that on there. Okay, let's see it. Okay. I'll just translate at the bottom of the screen what it says. Oops. And that's about it. And also, in the Pro version, you can just save it so you can watch it another time. And there's also one more thing on the Pro app. On the free app, you can't schedule work, so it'll pop up at any time or save it or have any of these. We can have some of these predefined alerts, but like the North Korea one. But I'll probably schedule it later, but it'd take a long time. I can schedule it like a couple years from now or 1 minute from now. And oh yeah, there's my EAS alert. And so that's about it. You can make whatever you can put literally whatever you want in there. It's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I think I have an addiction to EASs, but I just think they're funny and scary at the same time. That sound, it's a little scary, but I like them. They're cool. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.